time of year where we are spending a lot of time in this kind of position, forward flex, where our head's forward, our shoulders are forward. We can develop a lot of shoulder pain from, shoveling snow, doing yard work, wrapping gifts, cooking. We're always kind of here and pulling. So what happens is you develop a lot of shoulder pain in the front of your shoulder. And what happens is your pec gets super tight, pulls you forward, your lats get super tight, and you can't lift your arm. So today I'm gonna show you how I can fix that with my hands. So today we're gonna do a pec release to help our patient with some shoulder pain. So again, when the pec is tight, it pulls the shoulder forward. So we wanna open her up. So we're gonna come in here, we're gonna find her pec, and we are going to release it. We're doing an active release technique. So taking that muscle from a shortened position into a lengthened position. This is one of the many techniques that we can use to help with shoulder pain. One of the things you can do at home to relieve your shoulder pain is find a wall in your house, put your arm up on the wall. You want to stay about 90 degrees, and then you're just gonna rotate and open up into that shoulder. And you should feel a nice pull from right across that chest. Again, hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Minimal pain here, you want mostly stretching. That's it. Another thing you can do at home to relieve your shoulder pain is what we call shoulder cars. So we're moving our arm through an entire range of motion while simultaneously strengthening it. So again, find a wall. You have our patient here. You're gonna start at about 6 o'clock on a clock. You're gonna come up to 12 o'clock, flop the hand down, and then come all the way back down around towards 6 o'clock. And we're gonna go, keep doing that, up to 12, back down to 6. And then you can reverse that, go the other way. So go counterclockwise. Up to 12, down to 6. So this is my personal favorite exercise to help with shoulder pain. We're combining both lat stretching and pec stretching. So again, find a wall in your house. Arm's gonna go up about in front of your face. You're gonna bow towards the wall. Get a nice stretch there. You're gonna come back up to standing position and then rotate your chest open. Perfect. And again, we're gonna do that over and over. Hold each stretch about 5 seconds at end range, and then do that about 10 to 15 times, 3 to 4 times a day.